Good news for Twitter iOS users. Twitter latest updated app now lets users to create GIF using the iPhone camera app to share with followers. This new tip I'm going to share with you, let's see. Before that, subscribe our channel to get free tips. Make sure your Twitter app is updated on your iPhone. You can update the Twitter app on your iPhone by going App Store, which is similar way like you update other apps. After that, open the Twitter app and click on a plus sign to create a new tweet post. Now your iPhone screen will show you the camera option. Click on the camera icon and you will get the GIF option under the shutter button. Now set the camera on your desired location to capture GIF pictures and click on camera shutter. For example, click here. That's it. Now what next? If you don't like this GIF image, then go with the retake option. Otherwise, choose the Use GIF button. Before that, you can set GIF for continuity motion or loop motion by using the above appear arrow setting. After done this, click on Use GIF and click on Tweet button to publish as a post on your Twitter timeline. In addition, users can also get this GIF in their iPhone Photos album as a recent picture. From there, users can share via AirDrop, message, mail, WhatsApp, on Instagram, etc. That's it. We know some users can't get update or are unable to update the Twitter app on their device. I suggest following our blog post in the given pinned comment below. You guys, I hope, in this video, you found a completely new Twitter feature. Thanks for watching.